Hey friends, hope you're all doing well. Thank you for watching the first video and encouraging me. Let's continue our journey of Luang Prabang. There are stunning waterfalls around Luang Prabang area and I decided to visit them. I hired a tuk-tuk to go to Kuangsi waterfalls first. Before starting on the trail to the waterfalls, at the entrance is the rescue center of Asiatic moon bears. It's so lovely to watch these bears having such a nice time. I was there during their feeding time at lunch and I got a few very nice close-up views of these cute bears playing around and eating and lazing around. After seeing those playful bears, I continued on the trail leading to the falls. All along the trail are numerous turquoise azure shallow pools as the falls drop and flow downstream. The step falls on natural limestone cliffs was such a great treat to my eyes and ears. I love the setting, so magical, the trees, the snaking roots, those tiny wooden bridges, the ever-flowing stream and the color. Brilliant. It's a nice place to swim and there are picnic tables if you wish to eat and relax. The Kuangsi welcomes you at the end of the trail. It's a marvelous sight. The mist was so powerful and I got drenched in no time, but hey, it was so welcoming in the heat. I also went on a small hike on a cliff, hoping to see a few butterflies around, and yeah, I did see a few of them. Well, I wanted more of these waterfalls, so decided to visit Tatsé next. Had to go by longboat across Namkham River to get to Tatsé. Tatsé is very similar to Kuangsi but smaller. The next day I set to visit Pakhao Caves going by boat on the Mekong River. It's true, isn't it, when we say it's the journey that matters and not the destination. Because I so love the 3-hour boat journey on the Mekong. It was such a delight watching locals going about their daily chores and realize how important the river is to these people. A quick stop at Whiskey Village on the way was very interesting. Whiskey Village? Yep, you heard me right. A local home brews Lao-Lao, a traditional rice wine, and infuses it with snakes and insects. He was offering for us to taste. I did taste regular wine, not adventurous enough yet to try the reptiles or the insects once, you know. The limestone caves were very beautiful. The locals have placed hundreds of Buddhist figurines all over inside these caves, and it's sacred to them. I found it so nice. Seeing so many Buddhist statues at once was so overwhelming and awesome. The view of the Mekong from the cave was breathtaking. My last evening at Luang Prabang, what do? I just went ahead and booked a first row seat to a traditional Lao play. The episode of that day was from Ramayana. Hanuman bringing the signet that Ram gave him to Sita. I thoroughly enjoyed the play. The dance, the traditional music, the costumes were all very awesome. Hope you all enjoyed this journey with me. See you soon in my next video. Ciao.